This is paradise, and one of the best ways to get here is on the Aphrodite 2 Lazy Day cruise, which is constantly rated as one of the best cruises sailing during the summer months from Ayia Napa.
So far, so good. Still afloat.
We are a team here.
So if you're ready, let's meet that team and learn more. Kalimera, good morning.
Kalimera.
How are you?
All good. How are you?
I'm very good. Who are you?
I am Andreas.
And actually, we know that this is Emma.
Morning.
1M, not 2.
Yes.
What do we need to bring on the boat? What do we need?
You are smile, you are sun cream, and you are towel. Nothing else.
Perfect. All right, guys, we'll see you during the course of the day. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning.
So you are?
I am John.
Hello, John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, John, what do you do?
I look after all the guests on board for the day. I compare the day as well. Also do a bit of PRing when called for.
With all of today's passengers successfully boarded and looking very happy, it's time to set sail.
Welcome on board the Aphrodite 2 for today's Lazy Day cruise. Just about to leave Ayia Napa Harbour now. We're going to be making our way over to the sea caves.
Andreas, is there no end to your skill? You're charming. You're amazing. You greet the customers and then you are driving or sailing the boat, I guess.
Let's say I am like a joker. I am everywhere.
Please don't say that. You're in control of our lives. Now we've seen Andreas's considerable control of the Aphrodite 2, it's John's turn to check in on today's passengers with us tagging along. No pressure, John.
Everybody okay? Do you need some help? I'm really good at doing the old cream stuff Yeah? Give us a shout when you need some help, yeah?
He's a charmer, isn't he?
Everybody okay? You get a new hairstyle every 10 minutes. Breakfast?
Breakfast.
Right, okay. That's a really good breakfast. Good breakfast. Okay. I know you're okay. You're always okay. These are my grandchildren.
Ah, hello, grandchildren. Oh, you've got the coolest granddad in the world.
How we doing? All right? Aye. Any vodka in that?
We're worried about these guys.
No.
We're worried. They're from Hull.
Oh yeah, they've not seen the sun.
They've never seen the sun. This is a new experience.
Yeah, but it ain't enough really, is it?
You know, they had the sun in Hull.
Yeah, go on.
Around, I think 1981 was the last time it was seen.
Alrighty. So far, so good. Still afloat.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go and take a look now at the sea caves of Cape Greco coming up. The name of the area, locally known as the Palaces. The Palaces of Cape Greco. It's a natural rock formation that's formed a set of sea caves, really popular for the old rock jumping off in the summer months. Off on the right-hand side here, we get all the young guns coming here and lurching themselves off the rocks. So, the Palaces of Cape Greco. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, just coming up here off on the left-hand side, this is the East Point Lighthouse of Cyprus. The Eastern Point Lighthouse of Cyprus, which also means this is now the furthest eastern point of the European Union, the EU.
Okay, that's cool. But wait till you get a load of this.
So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Blue Lagoon, Bella Laguna. 50 minutes, first swimming stop of the day.
absolutely stunning. But all that swimming's made everyone feel very hungry. Luckily enough though, lunch is now being served. What have we got here?
Chicken, potatoes.
And you're the vegetable man. So food options, it doesn't matter whether you're a vegetarian or a carnivore, you've got everybody covered.
We should have everybody covered. We have, as our main meal is chicken, which most people will eat. And obviously we have a vegetarian option and a vegan option, which is a vegetarian, vegan burger, which they can also have with the salads that are available.
It smells amazing.
Thank you very much.
Smells amazing.
That's the idea.
Ladies, how's the food? Guys, who are you?
Magdi.
Magdi and?
I'm George.
Who's the best out of the two of you who are making the cocktails?
We are a team here.
Yeah, good team here.
We are a team.
George, you've got a Blue Lagoon cocktail, which is very appropriate since the boat stops at the Blue Lagoon. So we're going to see exactly how the Blue Lagoon is made. So talk us through this.
Vodka and blue curacao. No measure as you see.
Yes. I'm already reaching for the paracetamol.
Lemonade, lime, and slice of lemon.
It's beautiful, but can I ask you a serious question? If I go and give that to Andreas now, will we get home safely or do you think we're in danger? Okay, let's take this Blue Lagoon and see if we can get the captain. He won't, of course, but let's see. Andreas.
Yes.
Your lovely barmen have just made this Blue Lagoon.
Yeah.
And I asked the question, if you actually drank this, we wouldn't actually get home safely, would we?
Listen, if I drank this, I will be like this on the end of the day. So it's better later on.
Should we go and give this to a customer?
Yeah.
A deserving customer?
Yes, for us.
Ladies, anyone fancy trying a Blue Lagoon cocktail? Give us a taste and tell us what you think.
Don't drink it all. Take me a bit.
This is an Aphrodite 2 signature cocktail.
Oh, wow. Very nice and very refreshing.
And very alcoholic.
Well, yes.
Hang on a second, that's gone down a little bit too quickly, hasn't it? Well, it's lovely to meet you guys. Enjoy the rest of the cruise.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your lunch. Lunch being served downstairs there. Now, off on the left-hand side, you can see a large building there. This is for a brand new multi-million-dollar marina, which is being built in the Panera area of Protaras. And straight up ahead is the ghost town of Famagusta.
Oh, look, here's Andreas actually doing some real work now.
What can I do? I have to make the paper job as well.
Do you have to keep a log of all your trips and where you went?
We have the logbook, we have to write everything on.
Andreas, I guess everybody, when they come on this tour, they all want to see a turtle. It's not guaranteed, is it?
No. We had also dolphins a few days ago. But you never know where you're going to find them. Like when you're sailing, they come next to you, and they make show, jump in front of the boat. So there's nothing sure about it.
Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, off on the right-hand side there, this is Konos Bay, right over there in the corner, Konos Beach. Very shortly now, we're going to be making our second swimming stop.
At this point, we want to say a huge thank you to all the passengers on board. Everyone without exception was happy to be part of this Share Cyprus video and to have a chat with us about their experience. Hi, what's your name?
My name's Michelle.
How was it today?
It was amazing, actually surpassed our expectations.
What was your favourite bit?
The last swim stop, we were just surrounded by hundreds of fish all around us, big fish, but the crew have been amazing, plenty of sights to see, nice mix of informative but peaceful as well. It's been amazing.
Is this your first time in Cyprus?
No, my brother lives here, so we've been coming out for the last 20 years, but it's the first time we've been on here. I'd highly recommend it. It's been great.
You're Michelle's brother.
Yes, I am.
How did it take you 20 years to get her on this boat?
Long story.
And this was your choice? You know all the
No,
boats?
sister's choice.
Have you not done this either?
No, first time.
How was it?
Good, very good, yeah, very good. Very professional. Good captain as well.
Well, don't say that too loudly. Do you know, he already knows he's pretty cool, yeah? Hi! Where are you from?
From Poland.
So, how was today and how is Ayia Napa?
Oh, it's beautiful country.
guys. Where are you from?
Finland.
Why have you chosen this cruise today?
The fact that my parents pay for it. No, it's perfect. All the places we go to are perfect. The lunch was very good. The vibe is awesome. So why not?
Did your daughter do well with the choice? Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy. We visited a lot of places and long swimming pauses were very fine.
So what did you think of today?
I love the swimming.
Now you're the youngest.
Yes.
How old are you?
11.
And what did you think of today?
The swimming was nice and the lunch was good.
See, happy, all ages catered for. This is amazing. Hello. You're enjoying the Macarena all on your own.
Yes.
You know there's a dance floor upstairs.
Yeah,
you can go
I
and
don't
dance.
want to go upstairs.
What's your name?
Anna,
Anna, where are you from?
the Netherlands.
Okay, now, is this your first time in Napa?
Yes.
How is it?
Yeah, I really like it. Yes, you can party very well.
So what time did you go to bed this morning?
Oh, we didn't went out. We were gonna go on the boat, so we went to sleep early.
Oh, this is very, very grown up and organised, isn't it? There's a lot of choices of boats. Who made the choice for this boat today?
We saw the Aphrodite and we said, well, it's a good boat, so why not?
Because she is the goddess of love,
That's why.
not the goddess of alarm clocks. Guys, thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys, how are you?
We're fine, thank you.
You've had the VIP spot on the boat.
We have. We've been talking all day.
Did you get here early to get this spot, or did you just get lucky?
Spot luck.
Yeah.
We had a spot of luck.
Tell me about this boat today. Who made the decision to come on this one?
I think we both did.
Yeah, we wanted a boat trip.
We wanted to see the wider picture of Cyprus, so yeah.
Dean, Selma, thanks for chatting to us. Have a great rest of your holiday. Suddenly, at this point, the wedding march began blasting out on the sound system, so we quickly ran upstairs to see what was going on.
Congratulations, guys.
That was a nice treat, wasn't it?
Was, wasn't it?
That's not an everyday thing.
It's not an everyday thing. It's just something really, really nice to do for them. They don't expect it. And as we cruise by, if we see a wedding up there, just to give them a lovely surprise.
They seem to be very happy.
Yeah, it's just a nice thing to do. Hello, darling.
Now, where were we? Oh, that's right, we were talking to passengers. How are you enjoying the trip today?
It was really good.
How was it having a 4-year-old on the boat today? Any problems?
Any problems? It was really, really great.
What did you think? This or this?
Well, hello up there. Hello.
Another successful trip done, Andreas.
Thank you very much.
Happy?
Very, very happy. You?
No turtles, no dolphins, but we had a great time.
Lovely.
Hi, what's your name?
It's Levi.
Where are you from, Levi?
London.
We are literally ending the cruise right now. Would you recommend?
I highly recommend this. It's a fantastic day.
A great day. Love doing this. Always have, always will.
We hope you enjoyed that, and there's a link to all the details you need and how to book tickets directly below this video in the description. Meanwhile, if you found this video useful or you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to Share Cyprus on YouTube by clicking the logo on the left-hand side of your screen right now. Thanks for watching.